This is a story about how we gave John his life back, made his business more efficient, and saved him time and money. John runs Black House Quay Aggregates, where they provide gravel, sand, ballast, granite, and limestone to the building industry. Every day, trucks show up at the Black House premises, get weighed, fill up on any one of gravel, sand, ballast, granite, and limestone products, get weighed again, and drive off. To make this work, John used to have to fill out a piece of paper to say which customer had turned up, what material they had picked up, reference that against a price list that said how much that material cost for that specific customer, get out a calculator to work out how much to charge that customer, record it on a slip of paper, and add that slip to a pile with other customers' slips. With a fast-paced business, the slips of paper quickly built up with no time to properly file them. So John found himself taking a large stack of papers home once a month and spending every evening for a week to consolidate it all and generate invoices for all his clients manually. Eventually, John's partner gave him an ultimatum: phone Wight Computers or else. Knowing what's good for him, John promptly called Wight Computers. We listened to his concerns, took time to understand his business, and came up with a software solution that worked. So now when customers show up at Blackhouse Quay Aggregates, their details are instantly brought up on a tablet. The material they have purchased is in a database, along with how much that material costs for the customer. The invoice is automatically generated. So now at that time of the month, John leaves the paperwork at work, leaving him more time to focus on building his business and make sure that while he's at home, all he has to worry about is which box set to watch. Wight Computers, providing innovative solutions for all your IT needs. If you would like to see more bespoke software solution case studies from Wight Computers, you can find them on our website at wightcomputers.co.uk/videos.